Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Everyone, this is Khanamansa Shehzadi here. Welcome to STEAM Education. Dear teachers and students, we are reading BZB Mathematics Prep class, and in this video we are going to learn about addition of zero. Students' learning outcome: learn the addition of zero. 2 cups in the plate, 0 cup in the plate, and count them. 1, 2. Yes, there are 2 cups. 0 mango in the basket, 3 mangoes in the basket. 1, 2, 3 and 0. Yes, 3 mangoes. Hands on. Solve these questions. 0 plus 1. Yes, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 3 plus 0, 3. 0 plus 7, 7. 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 6, 6. 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. डियर टीचर्स, आई होप सो आपने इस वीडियो से बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा। मज़ीद सीखने और जानने के लिए हमारे साथ रहेगा। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। खुदा हाफिज़।